Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning in today to the second video of my series, House to Home Renovations. The room that we are currently looking at is my youngest daughter's room. This is the room that we originally gave her when we first moved into this home. Now that our oldest daughter has moved out of the house, we are going to transfer her the bigger room that is upstairs. As you can see, she's growing out of space and she's outgrown this room. The room we are moving her to is going to be the master bedroom that is upstairs. Let me show you how that room looks before we do the transformation. Right now, the room is currently being used as my office / closet. So I was trying to make a cloffice. Since my second oldest did not want this room, decided to go ahead and give it to the youngest child. I hope that you continue to watch and stay with me as I go through this full transformation. If you like videos like this and would like to see more of this content, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Also give me a thumbs up so that way I will know that you do want to see more content like this. Also remember to share this video, make comments below so that I can interact with you and get your opinion on how this video was. Alright, so we have cluttered this whole room. Took everything out, and now we are getting ready to paint the ceiling. And then we're going to prime all the walls because the glue is so strong. We took down the curtains and we took care of the hose. So now we're going to get to painting. We'll put a drop cloth over this until I'm ready to move into the other room. But let's get started. I tell you guys, the struggle was real. This geometric paint job. So just to give you a quick downplay on it, I had to do 2 coats on the back. Then I had to draw out my design and decide how did I want to do the triangles on here. But once I did that, I had to take each triangle and paint them, wait for it to dry, then do a second coat, and then tear off the tape. So when I tell you this was like a 2-day process, I mean, I'm telling you, it was a lot of work, but the end results is so worth it. So if you do decide to take on this geometric design, whether it be triangles or not, just know that it could possibly take 2 days or 2.5 days, because you do have to let it dry between coats. So as I was taping this up, I realized that I didn't tape it correctly. I was thinking that I needed to do just an X and then I can paint it and make the triangles the way that I was seeing it, but I was actually wrong. What I needed to do was first tape off and do the triangle without the middle piece crossing and do 2 points of the triangle and then paint. And you'll see that I'll correct this later on in the video, but right here, you'll see it right here. So if you notice, I put 2 points instead of having them cross over and overlap, and then this made my triangles come out just right. Thanks so much for tuning in for the first half of our two-part video of my daughter's room transformation. I will be uploading the next video next Wednesday, so I really hope that you guys join to see the ending look and the full transformation. You can also follow me on Instagram and see the transformations and makeovers before I load them to YouTube, and ask any questions there as well. So thanks again for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and give me a thumbs up. Have a great week.